Hi, this is Shirley. I'm coming to you today with another purchase share. This one is from Donna Little, and last week she had some items for sale, and I purchased a couple of items, so we're going to get in here and see what I got. Alright. Okay, so she always gives a gift. So this is what I wanted. This is some pink doily, and I love this, and I got two of them. So this was my purchase, and I also received about a half yard of this as well. Okay, and I think this is gorgeous. Okay, so this was my purchase from last week. Wanted to share it with you guys. And this is my gift from Donna. As always, she's such a sweetie. She always gives a gift. Let me see here if I can get into it. Let me see where it opens. Hold on. Okay, I think I got it. Yeah. Yep. Okay. And this is the gift. Look at this, guys. Ooh, isn't that gorgeous? Wow, I love this. Thank you, Miss Donna. This is cute. I love it. All right, so that is my purchase from Donna from her last sale, and I appreciate you guys watching. And until my next video, this is Shirley, Crafty Smooches. Bye.